Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 23rd, and this is my PM recap for gold. So we're on the 1 hour time frame. This is the Fibonacci retracement I showed you in my morning video from here to here. I was talking about how this is likely 5 ways up, which means that it would make more sense for this to be a 3-way pullback and likely bounce from a fib level and continue up. So hopefully some of you guys got that entry because it definitely was a pretty clear trade. Now, what I would be more worried about with my Fibonacci is putting it on this whole move down from top to bottom. Because if this move up right here is a pullback to the last wave down, and we really are at that big wave Y on the daily time frame, then this move up would probably bounce from one of these fib levels. This potentially would be 5 waves up, 3 waves down, 5 ways up to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then you'd get a very aggressive turn to the downside. If you do see aggressive turn to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement on this last move down, I would definitely stop looking for longs, start looking for shorts. For now, if you are a short time frame trader trading below the 1 hour time frame, you could be looking for longs until we do get this aggressive turn at a Fibonacci level, just in case it does end up trying to continue the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.